Alright, so yesterday we talked about multiplying polynomials using the FOIL method. Today we're going to use another method. This one is the box method. Okay, so first I'm going to have a binomial. So if you remember from before, that is two terms. Okay, and I'm going to be using the box method. So if I have a plus 3 times a minus 4, I'm going to use a box. Okay, so I'm going to create my box. I'm going to have 4 squares. Okay, on the top I'm going to put my first term, so a plus 3. Okay, then along the side I'm going to put the second term, so a minus 4. Make sure you carry the sign that's in front of it so that you have it right. Okay, then inside of each box we're going to multiply. So a times a is a squared. Then a times 3 is 3a, positive 3a. Negative 4 times a is negative 4a. And negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Okay, then I'm going to take my diagonal, because those are my like terms, and I'm going to combine them. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1a. So my final answer is going to be a squared minus 1a minus 12. Okay, we would get the same result if we FOILed, but this is just another method. This is the method you're going to have to use on your homework for tonight. So let's look at another one. I have x minus 3 squared. Okay, remember this means x minus 3 times x minus 3. We can't just distribute that squared sign. It doesn't work like that. So I'm going to draw my box. So I have x minus 3 and x minus 3. Multiply. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, again, my diagonals are my like term. So I have x squared. When I combine those, I get negative 6x plus 9. Okay, on to example 3. I have a plus 4b squared times 2a minus b squared. So again, draw your box. A plus 4b squared and 2a minus b squared. Okay, let's multiply. A times 2a is 2a squared. 2a times 4b squared is 8ab squared. Remember, I'm putting them in alphabetical order so that when we combine them that they'll be the same. Okay, here I have negative b squared times a, so negative ab squared. And then negative b squared times positive 4b squared. So that would be a negative 4b to the 4. Remember, you add your exponents. So again, my diagonals, my like terms. So I have 2a squared. When I combine these, I get 7ab squared. And then minus 4b to 4. Okay. Now, if we look at trinomials. So trinomials, if you recall, has 3 terms. Okay. So if I had x plus 2 times x squared minus 5x plus 4, that just means my box is going to get a little bigger. Okay, so I'm going to now have 6 boxes. Okay, so I have x plus 2 and x squared minus 5x plus 4. It doesn't matter which side your things go on as long as they fit. Okay, so x times x squared is x cubed. Remember, add your exponents. X times negative 5x is negative 5x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 5x is negative 10x. And 2 times 4 is 8. If we look here, my diagonals this way are like terms. Okay, so my final answer would be x cubed. When I combine 2x squared minus 5x squared, I get negative 3x squared. When I combine negative 10x plus 4x, I get negative 6x. And then this is a positive 8, so plus 8. Okay, so there's that example. Okay, we could keep going. If I were to give you something that looked like this, you'd have to do it twice. Okay, because this would be x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. So I have to do this first one. X minus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, when I get here, x times x, x squared, x times negative 2, negative 2x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Combine your like terms, so you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then you would have to take this and multiply it by your last one. Okay, so you'd make your bigger box. So x minus 2, x squared minus 4x plus 4. So x times x squared is x cubed, x times negative 4x, negative 4x squared, x times 4 is 4x, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared, negative 2 times negative 4x is positive 8x, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Okay, combine your like terms. So in the end, we end up with x cubed, negative 2x squared minus 4x squared is negative 6x squared. Then 8x plus 4x is 12x. And then minus 8 is all by itself. Okay, so there's that. You can do these trinomials using FOIL. It just takes more steps. Your assignment for this is page 497, numbers 42 through 60 evens. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions or you need help, and come to tutorials if you need to. Alright, good luck.